Hey guys, it's Miss Carrier. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to complete the Imagine Academy PowerPoint Module 4. This is a great lesson. There's lots of fun packed into it. So I hope that you will watch it all and try this all for yourself. All right, I've got everything open already. We had several data files here. You can view that all on our shared OneDrive. We are going to start by inserting a table, it says, into the left placeholder on slide 2. So I'm going to insert a table. I'm going to have 3 columns as well as 7 rows. And it says that we can input the information, but in a minute, we're going to be able to copy it directly from this data file. So just hold on tight. Let's go on to the next step. It says we're going to add 1 row to the bottom and then 1 column to the right so that we can add additional information. So let's go ahead and click in there and do that by right-clicking and then inserting a row below. We can click over here in this column and right-click and insert a column to the right. All right, so now we have enough space to copy and paste our data. So we're going to come over here and basically get the entire information. I'm just going to highlight it all, right-click and copy, come back over here and right-click and paste. Now, it doesn't say whether we need to keep the source formatting or destination styles, but I think either one will be fine. All right, so now what it says we need to do is we need to right align any cell that has a number. So let's go ahead and highlight all of the number cells. And let's go back to our Home tab and right align those. Okay. It also tells us in here that we need to make sure there's a total row at the bottom. It says we're going to center the first row, apply a style, and select some options here. So let's go center the first row. All of the first row needs to be centered. And then we're going to click on the table and select a style. So if you go back to Table Tools, you'll see the styles pop up, and we're actually going to be using this one, Light Style 1 Accent 1. And then we just need to make sure that the total row, header row, and first column options are selected. It did not mention banded rows, so I'm going to uncheck that. Very good. So that's what you need to do there. Now, moving on to the next step in this, it says we're going to be using a chart, and we can copy and paste the chart that's also on this energy cost in the energy data file. Let's go and grab this chart. We're going to copy that and paste it right in here on the right side. Okay, and then it tells us a few things to change. It says that we need to click and change the chart type to a line chart. So go ahead and choose any of those line charts there. And then the next instruction tells us that we are going to choose style 4 for the style and then color palette 2. So let's go in and choose style 4 and then color palette 2. So style 4 is going to be up here in your styles. There's 3, so this is 4. And then we're going to choose a color palette by clicking on the colors here. And I believe it said colorful palette 2. There we go. All right, so we've done all of that. And then the legend needs to go on the right side. So we click in the chart. We can click on Add Chart Elements. And then our legend is already showing, but we need to click the right arrow and choose Right. All right, very good. So you've done everything we need to do thus far. We're going to go ahead and start on this task, and then the second video we'll finish this module out. So first it says we're going to insert a continuous arrow process smart art graphic to the left placeholder on slide 3. So let's go find that. And notice that you can insert several things here: a table, a chart, smart art, a picture, an online picture, or a video. And we're going to choose smart art. And it says that we're going to choose the process. And this is the one we're looking for here, continuous arrow process. And it tells us to insert a number in that, 61, 20, 90. So we'll just type that straight in there, 61, 20, 90. Okay, and so that's all I'm going to show you on this video, and then we're going to go on and do the remainder of this in the next one. So I'll see you there.